Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make every decision at twice the speed. In order to do this, you need to remove choice. Basically, what I have noticed is that fewer choices means faster decisions. We don't need our brains to step into every new option, having to picture and evaluate them, holding them in our minds and moving on to the next option. Today I will show you a couple of scenarios so you can clearly understand how removing choice can speed up decision making. Scenario 1. Clothing. You currently have 40 to 50 items in your wardrobe. Every time you want to go out, it takes you ages to decide what to wear. The solution is to remove choice. Reduce number of clothes in your wardrobe to about 20 to 25 so it's easier for you to pick from. Keep summer clothes in your wardrobe and hide winter clothes in a suitcase, for example. This way you won't have to see too many clothes in your wardrobe, having less choices to make. Scenario 2. Shopping. You need to buy a gift for your best friend. Usually when you go shopping you try to visit as many shops as you can. This can be very exhausting. So what you need to do is remove choice. Go to only 4 to 5 shops that would be worth visiting at the shopping center. Or use eBay or Amazon, spend an hour searching, make a decision and get it delivered to your door. Scenario 3. Food. Every day you spend so much time thinking what you should have for lunch. Remove choice. Choose from 3 to 4 food options that you really enjoy. Create a weekly or monthly food rota. Scenario 4. Work. Your manager has given you a task for you to complete today. You're stressing out what time of day you should get this done. Remove choice. Get it done at the start of the day. Check your calendar and book a slot for you to complete this task. Now you know how removing choice means faster decisions, and I hope future life decisions are much easier for you now. For more inspirational videos like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye!